Well, countries overwhelmingly voted in favor of a resolution on Jerusalem defying U.S. President Donald Trump. 128 countries voted yes on the measure, despite U.S. threats to cut off aid for nations that support it. 9 countries, including the U.S. and Israel, objected, while 35 nations abstained. Let's take a look at how Africa voted. As we said, South Africa and Botswana voted in favor of the motion. North African nations did too, among them Egypt, Algeria, Tunisia and Mali. West African nations like Nigeria also voted in favor. Some notable omissions though. East Africa's most developed economy, Kenya, did not send a representative to the UN session. Uganda abstained, but perhaps the biggest surprise is Togo, who voted against the motion.